from this jar I'm going to make the tastiest barbecue sauce that you have ever tasted. Stay with me and I'll show you how. First, let's get the lid off the jar. Now put the whole jar of pickled walnuts into the small bowl of the Magimix food processor. I have 50 grams of raisins which have been soaking overnight in rum. They're joining the walnuts along with all that lovely rum. Lid on and give it a whiz. As you can see, I've blended the walnuts and the raisins to a puree, which I'm now pouring into a small saucepan. Must get every little bit. For a bit of sweetness, 50 grams of light brown sugar is added. Also, 1 tablespoon of honey. I think there's just about a tablespoon there. Now here's a tip. Dip the measuring spoon in hot water and the honey should run off the spoon much quicker. Let's see. And it does. Now a little kick with 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of sea salt crystals. Light the gas, bring to a simmer and give it all a good stir. And keep stirring until everything is combined. Continue to simmer, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes until the sauce is nice and glossy. Turn off the heat and allow to cool. This sauce has a lovely texture, but if you're looking for something as smooth as silk, then you're going to have to run it through a sieve. Give it one final stir. Believe me, I did not dip my finger in the sauce, but I did run it across the spoon. Pour into a clean jar, seal and store in the fridge. So you want to know more about this recipe on my channel? Just click that button. Activate and give the bell a ding, making sure you won't miss a thing. Now here's a recipe recap. Now, I know you can buy barbecue sauce quite cheaply from the supermarket, but when someone tastes this and says that is the best I've ever tasted, where did you get it from? And you say, I made it myself. Now that's what it's all about. Flavour. Amazing. I promise you'll be seeing a lot more of this sauce in my future videos. Now, if you've enjoyed this vid, give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame. So from me, the old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.